Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode we're going to make Obatzda. Obatzda is Bavarian delicacy. It's made of cheese, different kind of cheeses, and normally you use pretzel and you dip inside and eat it together. Okay, let's get started. I have here, this is camembert, about 200 grams. This is cream cheese, about 200 grams or two. Room temperature, a little bit of butter is about 2 teaspoons. This is William's pear. I'm gonna use half of that. Salt and pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, and this is caraway seeds, and of course green onions. So I'm gonna start by peeling and cutting my William's pear. I'll take this on just. So I'm just gonna peel the skin away. William's pears, they fit perfectly with camembert. Just need to cut it very small. You need one ripe one, but make sure it's not too soft, because you still want to have this texture that when you bite it in. Just cut little pieces, small piece inside. I'm also going to cut my green onions inside. I've washed them, dried them, just cut into very fine. If you don't like green onions too much, just put 1 or 2 stalks inside. I put like 3. All of that inside with some for garnishing later. A little ball here, I'm gonna cut my camembert cheese. You can also use other cheese, like a little bit softer cheese. I just like camembert. Into chunks and put in this bowl. I don't put in the bigger bowl because I want to mix this first with my other ingredients. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. So I'm gonna put the cream cheese inside, just a big spoon, and I'm going to mix it all together. It's kind of like working out here, eh? So I'm gonna put some butter inside to mix it too. Some people, they use melted butter, or you melt the butter until it's a little bit brown for the taste. I just prefer room temperature butter. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Pepper, caraway seeds, depending how much you like them. Some people, they grind them. I prefer to get the whole chunks. So, I'm gonna put a bit of smoked paprika. I think about 1.5 teaspoons. Keep it in the fridge and eat it next day. Tastes even better. So you're gonna fold the pear and the cheese. Don't mix it too hard. So I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna cut my pretzel bun. I call it pretzel bun because it's actually pretzel ingredient, but it looks like this bun, like this, like hot cross bun, but pretzel. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to try this. I'm just going to dip my bread inside. It's really good. The pear, the cheese together, just perfect. It's sweet, creamy, a bit spicy from the green onions. Just perfect. I hope you enjoyed our video and see you next episode. Bye!